laying in bed, wondering if she'd change it all, if her hair was still red. But folks said our lives together, she was known to be rough. Never did like Mama's homemade dress, Papa's Bangwood wasn't big enough. I was standing on the side of the road, rain falling on my shoes, headed up to the East Coast. God knows I paid some dues getting through. Tangled up in blue. She was married when we first met, soon to be divorced. Helped her out of a damn ideas, but they didn't have too much force. We drove that car as far as it could. Stopped her for a beer. Just kept looking at the side of her face in spotlight so clear. Later on, the joint cleared out, just about to do the same. She was standing there in the back of the chair, saying, "Don't want to go for me." She's standing there, it's time to lie to the face. I must have been a better girl. What you meant to have lessons of my shoes. Love.
youths in the basement down the stairs. There was music in the cafes and night and the wishing in the air. Oh, and then it started to feel mistakes, something inside of the night. Well, she ever sell everything she owned. Finally, when the mom went out, I became withdrawn. The only thing I knew how to do was how to keep on keeping on. Feel the same, which is sort of from a different point of view.